Hi, I'm Mark from Citizen, and today we're going to talk about loading media into our CL-E321 series printers. To load labels, push the release catches on either side of the printer and open the case. Check that the media sensors are aligned. Usually the top sensor is slid to the right position. The blue arrow on the lower sensor should line up with the right arrow on the black printer bed, and the blue sensor can be locked. The blue media bar and guide are slid together and then inserted into the roll of media and loaded into the printer using the handle. Lay the media in the printer and slide the blue guide so it's touching the media edge but not too tight. If we're not using a ribbon or we're using the direct thermal CL-E300, you can close the case now. To change the ribbons, open the case and, at the same time, open the ribbon door by simply pulling it forwards and up. The ribbon can be loaded from the top, but we prefer to load from the bottom. Slide the ribbon onto the blue holder bar and then insert it into the printer. Put an empty cardboard core onto the other blue holder and insert it into the printer. Pull the new ribbon through and stick it to the cardboard core using the sticky leader tape or even a sticky label if you're using part-used ribbon. Using the grey winder, take up the tension on the ribbon so it does not wrinkle. Close the main case. The media cover automatically closes with the main case and then close the ribbon cover. Press the feed key to ensure the printer is loaded correctly and then send a print job. For more information, please visit our website or find more useful videos on our YouTube channel.